Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet luxury. Today, we're taking you inside the most luxurious motorhome of 2025. A true mansion on wheels that's turning heads across the globe. If you ever dreamed of living like royalty while on the road, this beast is going to blow your mind. Right from the outside, the design screams elegance. With its sleek aerodynamic body, massive panoramic windows, and LED accent lighting, it doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like a luxury yacht on wheels. Built on a heavy-duty chassis with advanced air suspension, this motorhome offers a smooth and quiet ride no matter where you travel. The retractable steps glide out automatically, and as soon as you enter, you're greeted with a sense of grandeur that rivals five-star hotels. Step inside, and you're welcomed by an interior crafted with real wood, Italian leather, marble countertops, and a lighting system that adapts to your mood. The lounge area features a large curved OLED smart TV, ultra-comfy reclining sofas, a surround sound system, and smart windows that tint automatically. It's basically a high-tech living room rolling down the highway. The kitchen is next level. Full-sized fridge, induction cooktop, microwave oven, dishwasher, all built in with a luxury finish. And yes, the kitchen island expands at the touch of a button. There's even a wine chiller and a touchscreen control panel to manage everything from lighting to climate to security. Now let's talk about the bedroom. Imagine a king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and a star-lit ceiling. There's a walk-in closet with motion sensor lighting and a built-in safe for your valuables. It's not just a sleeping space, it's your personal retreat. And the bathroom? Full-size walk-in shower with a rainfall head, luxury stone finish, heated floors, a smart toilet, and a dual vanity. Even the mirror has a built-in TV, so you don't miss a moment of entertainment. What truly sets this motorhome apart is the tech. It's fully solar compatible, with lithium-ion batteries that keep you off-grid longer. The touchscreen cockpit features a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, collision avoidance, and self-leveling hydraulics for perfect parking anywhere. And with integrated Wi-Fi, smart home connectivity, and satellite TV, it's literally smarter than many modern homes. Storage compartments are massive, with slide-out trays, and it even comes with a hidden outdoor kitchen and entertainment setup, perfect for hosting under the stars. So what's the price of this ultimate road palace? Well, it starts at around $2.5 million. But for those who want the best of the best, that price tag comes with the kind of freedom, luxury, and prestige that no hotel or resort can offer. That's all for today on Honest Auto Wheels. If you loved this luxury tour, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know. If money was no object, would you live in a motorhome like this? Until next time, keep it rolling with Honest Auto Wheels.